chilaquiles con huevos estrellados tiernos. Sí, chilaquiles rojos con huevo estrellado tierno.
Oh, gracias.
De nada, disfruten, enjoy.
So I'm here in Zona Rio, and I'm just waiting to see Dr. Carlos, and I have half an hour to spare. I'm also going to get some acupuncture today from Tao Acupunctura. So just across the street by the Roma Pharmacy, there's a really nice traditional Mexican restaurant called La Fogata. It's been here for a long time. It's really lively. They have live music. It's convivial, and they serve traditional Mexican meats. But people also come here for the desayuno, the breakfast. And one popular dish that people like is called chilaquiles. The chilaquiles is corn tortilla, that is cut into cutlets and then lightly fried, and then it mixed with either red or green sauce and some queso. Here I ordered it with huevos sunny side up, refried beans, and potatoes. And I'm looking forward to it. I've had this dish before. I was here a couple months ago, so I'm really missing it. So I'm gonna really dig in for this dish.
How about waking up to the aromas and flavors of traditional Mexican food? La Fogata restaurant transports you to Abuelita's kitchen or at Grandma's kitchen, where your comfort food begins with tortilla chips and salsa that taste corny and earthy. The menu has practically every traditional breakfast dish you're craving: huevos rancheros, machaca shredded beef with eggs, onion and tomatoes, eggs and nopales, cactus leaves, all served with homemade corn tortillas and retried beans. All ingredients are the freshest ever. Lunch and dinner menus are extensive, complete with slow-cooked lamb in a clay pot. Doesn't get any better than this.